Okay, this is room 407 at the Premier in Southampton city centre. It's standard double. So you've got your double bed and a single bed. I'm actually sharing this with my mum because we're getting ready to go on Anthem of the Seas tomorrow. So it's tomorrow in Southampton, so we've been in there a couple of hours now. So you get your little table. There's only one plug down by the bed, but we've brought a extension lead, so that's fine. I've noticed that there's another bed under there that comes out, so you must be able to have 4 in here, 2 in the double and 2 singles. Lamps either side, but like I say, there is only that one plug. Fairly standard room that you get Premier in these days. You know, the big television, smart TV, with the connectors. They all work actually, which is good. We've got this. We've gone for the meal deal like we did in Durham. So I'll show you that later. This was all clean when I came in. Obviously we've used it now, so tea and coffee facilities. There's the cushion which goes on the bed and makes it into a little sofa. View out the window is not up to much. In fact, you can't really open the window at all. Much, but it's out down into the car park. View from the restaurant's better. You can see all the way down to the dock, so you can see the ships, see the cruise ships coming in. Got all my stuff to go away. There's the wardrobe, spare pillows at the top there, the open style wardrobe with the big mirror. You got the vanity mirror there, your hair dryer. Obviously you have to put a card. I put my Tesco club card in there to turn the power on. Bathrooms standard really. Toilet, showers over the bath. When you sink, I do like the way that they have these big bottles of soap and shower gel and body wash and stuff, so you don't have to bring your own anymore. That's always good, I think. But yeah, fairly standard. Like I say, bottle opener. I think they're in all Premier Inns now. So there you go, room 407, standard double at the Premier Inn, Southampton. These are the views from the restaurant of Southampton. Should be able to see the ships come in here.
Can you see them coming in?
Yeah.
There's no name.
We're doing well. The boss is back.
Yeah, it's smoother.
Can I have mine with McGuinness with it?
We've gone.
They're what?
We've gone.
Oh.
So I was literally
naked.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.